Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Debug Thugs. So today we are going to learn how to install Maven in our Windows PC. So let's start. So to install Maven, first of all we need to make sure Java is properly installed and set up in our machine. So we already did Java setup in our earlier videos, but still we will have a glimpse how we did earlier, and then we will move forward with the Maven setup. So for the Java setup, first of all, you need to download and install Java from Oracle's website. So it depends whichever version you wanted to install, you can search, download and install. Then you need to set up Java home and Java bin path. I will show you how we did. So first of all, you can go to search and search the system environment variables. So something like this, edit the system environment variables would come. Open it, click on environment variables. So this is our Java home variable. C program files Java JDK 17. So here it is our Java located. Then there is a path, bin path, as I told. So it will come inside a path folder. You can click on edit. Here you can see percent Java home percent. So it is like the variable we declared outside, like Java underscore home capitalized inside the percentage symbols and then backslash bin. So this is how we set up bin and Java home path. Then once this is done, you can go to command prompt and run the command java-version. So this is just to verify if you whatever you have done, whatever you have set up, it is properly done or not. So for that also you can go to search, open the command prompt, search cmd or you can type command as well. Open the command prompt, type command java-version. There is one more command java c-version that also you can run so that you can check whichever version of Java is used for the compile time. So Java C-version. Ideally, these both should be same only. If it is not same, you can check right how you installed, how you set up. Maybe something is incorrect there. As we can see, both right. Java C and Java version is referring to Java 17.0.8. So our Java is properly installed. Now let's start with the Maven setup. So for the Maven installation, let's open any browser, go to Google and search Maven. The first link that will appear would be the Apache Maven official link. Click on the download button here. Right now I am downloading the latest stable version, that is 3.9.5. If you wanted to download some other version, you can scroll or you can search that particular version and download it. Right now we are downloading the bin.zip. If you wanted to download the src, that would also work fine. Src just contains the extra documentation. We don't require that extra documentation. That's why we are going with bin. And zip and .gz is just the you can say format. So if you wanted to download in gz format, you can download gz, or if you want to download in zip, you can download in zip. So we are going with Apache Maven 3.9.5 bin zip. I'm downloading it. So as you can see, downloading is start. So downloading is done. Um, One more thing before, right, setting up the Apache Maven, let us check is Maven is already installed in our PC or not. For that, you can go to command prompt, open the search, search here, command prompt, open it, write the command mvn hyphen version. As you can see, mvn is not recognized as internal or external command. This will appear once you have installed Maven. So this will properly show the Maven version and Java version. So let's continue our installation. So let me open the downloads folder. So whatever you have downloaded, that the particular version, extract it, extracting it. Okay, so this is the one. So this is the one. Okay, so let me copy this folder, open the C drive, and here I will be creating a new folder named Maven. You can paste directly here as well, but I generally prefer this way so that it is easy to locate. So I will create a folder named Maven. Inside that, whatever folder I have copied, I will paste it. So this Apache Maven 3.9.5 I have pasted here. So here the whole Apache Maven comes. Let me copy this path. This will be used. This particular path will be used for setting up the Maven home and Maven bin path as well. Maven bin would be that %Maven home %\bin. That's it. But Maven home path would be this one, the path where we have pasted our Apache Maven setup. .zip file we have extracted and pasted wherever we have pasted our folder. Ideally, it is recommended wherever our Windows is installed, like C drive or D drive. In that particular drive, we should extract. And naming convention, you can, as I am following Maven, you can use your own. You can paste in the program files, whatever you want. But I generally prefer this way. Now let's set up the Maven home path. For that, go to the search for environment variables, open the edit the system environment variables, click on environment variables, and here you can see different variables are there. Click on new, type Maven underscore home. And if you remember, we have copied one path, you can paste it here. I will press OK. This copy pasting path is also fine. If you want, you can browse the directory as well. Here there is a button, browse directory. You can go to that directory and select that directory. So that will also work. So there is no much difference. Just we are copying the path seems convenient to us. So that's why we are doing this way. Let's press OK. So as you can see, Maven home would appear here. It's like, yeah. So here it is, Maven home. So we have set up the Maven home variable. Now, next step is Maven bin. For this, we need to, as earlier, right? If you remember for Java, we added the path variable, right? We need to edit this. Go to click on new, type %Maven underscore home %\bin. Make sure the spelling right, Maven underscore home and casing as well. That if you are using capital case outside, the variable you have declared outside Maven home, inside also it should be same. And we generally follow this way, like outside and inside. Outside declaring the variable. So if we wanted to upgrade to some other version, so only outside variable we need to edit. Other things it will take care and it will update. So that's why we generally prefer this way. So you can see outside also variable name is Maven underscore home, inside also Maven underscore home. Then press OK. Press OK, and this also can press OK. So it will be stored automatically. So our last step to verify that Maven is properly installed or not. So go to the search, open the command prompt. Now type command mbn hyphen version. So it may take a moment or so. Yes, so it appears, as you know, right? We have done 3.9.5. So Apache Maven 3.9.5. This is our Maven home path. Java version we are using 17.0.8 that we showed earlier. So our Maven is properly installed and set up in this PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.